Hi guys, welcome to Joy Beauty Show. Today I will be showing you guys how I prepare my meat pie. So here is potato. This is potato, carrots, and this is blended meat. Then a little cube, monkey cube, curry, little curry to it, and nutmeg. This is blended nutmeg. This is what I use. Little one and a little salt. Then you steam it together. Steam it together. Hi guys, today I'll be preparing meat pie. So this is how I prepare my meat pie. Just a little for the house. So follow me. Watch and see. This is flour. Then I add butter to it. And nutmeg. Nutmeg is very good for meat pie. And little salt. Add little salt to it. Put it. Then I add egg to it. So you start massaging it till it gets strong. Make sure that everything, all the ingredients mix together. This is the raw meat pie that's got boiled and it gets stuff. Then now I have to turn it in the plate so that it will be cold. Going to oven. This, yeah.